Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use CoolBoost on Acer Nitro 5 and what is CoolBoost. What is CoolBoost? CoolBoost is cooling feature in NitroSense. It helps your laptop stay cooler by increasing fan speed automatically. When CoolBoost is turned on, the fan spin faster than cooling normal. This helps to reduce cGPU and GPU temperature, especially during gaming or heavy work. CoolBoost does not damage your laptop. It increases or it's designed by Acer to protect your system from overheating. Now, how to use CoolBoost on Acer Nitro 5. Now find the NitroSense key on your keyboard. It has a small N logo on it. Press this key on order to open NitroSense. When NitroSense open, look for the fan control section. You will see an option that says CoolBoost. It usually or toggle button. Turn it on. You can use CoolBoost while gaming, editing video, running heavy processors. If you want quieter fan, you can turn CoolBoost off when during the light work like browsing or typing. When should you use CoolBoost? Use CoolBoost when your laptop feels hot, CPU or GPU temperature is high, games start lagging because of heat. CoolBoost helps improve performance and safety. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.